In this video, you will learn how to pronounce different pasta types. First off, macaroni. Macaroni is a very good pasta type. The second type is lasagne. Lasagne is a very good pasta type as well. Now we have penne. Penne is one of my favorite pastas. Next is spaghetti. Spaghetti bolognese is a very good pasta type as well. Now we have tortellini. Tortellini is a very yummy pasta type. Next is cannelloni. Cannelloni is a very yummy pasta. Now we have mandorla. Mandorla is one of my favorite pastas. Next is ravioli. Ravioli is a very tasty pasta. Next is pappardelle. That is my second favorite pasta. Thanks for watching how to pronounce the pasta types.